Hi everybody, and a warm welcome back to Maple Leaf Customs in Switzerland. I'm Andrew, and on the bench today is a bubble pack that came from Cardocraffz, all the way from southern Ontario in my home country of Canada. I love this kind of interaction with my fellow YouTubers, and I appreciate the time and expense involved in sending something to me in a mail call. Off the beaten path as I am over here. 2 cars in some custom packaging. Check this out. A little message. You and I think Gargoyle inspired me to step up my card art skills. That Thunderbird's card art, I feel, puts you right back in time looking at it. Sure does. That's nicely done. Here's a 57 T-Bird. Hey, it's tough to do all black, but it's my favorite color on a car. That's what I've got out in the driveway. It's a metal base. Simply says Thailand and Hot Wheels. Wonder how old that is. Sweet wheels on this one. That's a beauty. The Subaru, some special wrapping on it or something. Oh, wow, that is really cool. That's a nice look for the card art. Keep that going. Oh, it's a bag. What's this? Cardocraffz? How do you get that made up? Definitely stealing that idea. Here's the Subaru, also in black, red racing stripe, and bullet holes. Looks like Sonny Corleone's car. I like this too. Red rim wheels. Plastic base. Well, I really appreciate getting these 2 custom cars. Here's a little photo shoot to show them both off. You can check out Cardocraffz on his YouTube channel by following the link that I left in the description. Pop in, introduce yourself, and get all subbed up there. Thanks for visiting again today. I really do appreciate it. It's coffee time.